Very good afternoon to one and all on this 1 day, 1 week virtual faculty development program come workshop on advanced research methodology and data analysis from 25th to 31st July 2025. On behalf of Inspira Research Association, Mehta College and Institute of Technology, and Swami Sahajanand College of Commerce and Management, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, I welcome you all on this 1 week virtual FDP. So we are very fortunate to have today Dr. Debabrata Samanta, a great academician, a researcher, an international speaker from RIT Kosovo. So we know that we all are eager to listen to Professor Samantha sir on the topic today, that is Introduction to Research Design, Sampling and Data Collection. So without wasting time, first I would like to invite Dr. Aarti Chopra to welcome our today's resource person. Dr. Aarti.
Namaskar, a very good evening to all of you. Though I know that Dr. Debabrata Samantha sir is already here, and I do not want to come in between the participants and the resource person, but since it is the first day of this 1 week FDP, so it is my duty, it is my honor to inform you about how we are going to conduct this FDP for 1 week. And also, I would like to introduce our renowned resource person for today's session. So, respected dignitaries, esteemed resource persons, dear participants, and organizing team members, on behalf of Inspira Research Association Jaipur, Mehta College and Institute of Technology Jaipur, and Swami Sahajanand College of Commerce and Management Bhavnagar, it is my proud privilege to extend a warm welcome to each one of you to this 1 week virtual faculty development on advanced research methodology and data analysis. As you know, the time is rapidly evolving, and the purpose of this FDP is not just to keep pace with the change, but also to lead it. This week long program has been very carefully designed to empower the faculty members, research scholars, and academic professionals with cutting edge tools, methodologies, AI assisted strategies to redefine the way they engage in research. Over the next 7 days, we will delve into various areas such as literature design, ethical frameworks, literature review, proposal writing, questionnaire development, hypothesis testing, advanced statistical techniques, and the intelligent use of AI in writing high impact research papers. We are honored to have with us impressive lineup of eminent national and international resource persons who are leaders in their domains for all 7 days, who will guide us through this transformative journey. I would like to thank the organizing conveners, Dr. Ravikant Modi, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Soni, Dr. Hetal Mehta for their vision and commitment. I would also like to thank our patron, our guiding lamp, Professor S.S. Modi, President Inspira Research Association, and Professor Anil Mehta, Vice President Inspira Research Association, and the patrons of both the other institutions for their support and coordination. To all the participants who have joined us today from the various parts of the country, your enthusiasm, your learning, your spirit of inquiry, I'm sure they will work as the pillars for the growth and learning in this FDP. Now, coming to today's day, that is day one, we have a very, very special person as a resource person with us. As Professor Modi just told you, he's a great academician, researcher, and a very, very renowned personality with us. Professor Debabrata Samanta sir, who is the program head and assistant professor at Department of Computing and Information Technology, RIT Kosovo, Europe. Before inviting sir, I would like to throw a short light on his academic journey. Dr. Samantha works, as I told you, as the program head at RIT, that is Rochester Institute of Technology, Global Campus, Kosovo, Europe. He obtained his PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, in SAR image processing. He is keenly interested in interdisciplinary research and development. He has experience spanning fields of SAR image analysis, video surveillance, a heuristic algorithm for image classification, deep learning framework for detection and classification, blockchain, statistical modeling, wireless ad hoc network, and natural language processing. He has completed 6 consultancy projects under his guidance. 4 students have accomplished their PhD degrees. He has received a funding of 8,110 USD under the Open Access Publication Fund. He received funding under International Travel Support Scheme in 2019 for attending the conference in Thailand. He has received a travel grant to speak at the conferences, seminars, etc. for 2 years from 2019. Sir has got 16 Indian patents published and 2 copyrights. Sir has authored and co-authored over 254 research papers in international journals including SCI, Scopus, ESCI, and conference proceedings including Springer, Elsevier, and IEEE. So, Sir has a great CV. It will be, that the whole session will be too less to speak about, Sir. So, I would stop myself here and I would request Sir to kindly come and enlighten our participants with his session today. We are really honored to have you with us, Sir. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for accepting our request.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure to be the part of this prestigious FDP. Basically, if, it's always say yes because I can't say no when request or some email came from the Modi sir. Okay, because he is my one of the good friend, and in my case, because someone is unmuting. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So I just check my PPT is changing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Uh, Good evening. But in my place is good afternoon. It's a different time zone, and it's a long journey. It's more than 2 hours. We'll go for this today's topic. What exactly the day by day, the AI, the research, the academic content, academic writing process, sampling, data collections, all the things. But the question is, as a Asiatic perspective, that huge number of competitions, you have the huge workload, and second thing is that you have a target to complete this number of paper, applying for the funding. So that lot of activity as a academician, as a researchers, you have to be complete a long target in a short duration. So that cases we have only one option to take help from some positive sources. So what is the positive sources is the AI. So today I'll demonstrate you all the minimum 8 to 10 AI tool which you can easily understand that three the major part. One is the research design, then you can plan for the proper sampling, and finally you can move on the data collection process. So I don't want to waste my time. Already madam introduced myself. I just want to introduce one small part that of IIT Kharagpur, ISM Dhanbad, that is now it is IIT Dhanbad, NIT Raulkela, and different country. We have some research collaborations, my own research lab, and different kind of activity you can follow or depends on your request. First thing is that educations or the research methodology can be easy if you focus for these four major concerns. One is that ML, NLP, or computer visions, or the recommendation systems. So these four things, if you understand one by one, you can solve your all difficulty depends on your current situations. I'll explain one by one. Machine learning basically in your classroom, sometimes it is 80 students, 60 students, 120 students, but how you can evaluate the slow learner, fast learner, or the student's performance, so that easily you can predict if you have some machine learning AI tool with you. Or the NLP base, basically sometimes the students writing is not easy to understand, the chatbot it's not easy to the proper English, or that Hindi or English or other language mixed. So that cases that we need some assessment to understand 120 text in a 120 seconds time. Finally, the behavior. In my lectures, maybe some people they are sleeping. How I will know? In the entire classroom, 120 people, how people can understand the speaker or the teacher, that what exactly the professor teaching in the classroom, students or the audience accept it or not. So that classroom behavior analysis is fully depends on computer visions. I have one small software. Already few colleges they using that particular software. When the new faculty join in a college, so after the 6 month, they will start the evaluation of the classroom activity. That is, the faculty is good teachers or that effective teachers or not. So that classroom students' behavior, actually response, what type of example the faculty they are giving, so everything so we can analysis depends on the students or audience expressions. If the last bench is talking, last bench sleeping, first bench sleeping, middle bench sleeping, a lot of parameters are there. So that software they extract that image or the students, and they can tell the classroom behavior analysis very nicely. And nowadays we are trying to provide a lot of study materials. Sometimes we download from the YouTube, sometimes we download from that Google. But the thing is, day by day, that also it's the old techniques. So now you have to be understand that some recommending the recommendation of the systems to understand that learning systems, learning material should be different level. So that was the big challenge nowadays, after the AI launch in the academic systems. What are the applications? I just give some small applications. AI tutors is very interesting. Auto grading systems is very interesting. Learning platform, day by day, you have to be adaptability in the learning platform different way. And research analysis. So this is the huge number of data. I have 200 students in a classroom. How I can evaluate a small way, which can be judgmental, you can proof in the students, slow learner, fast learner. We need to be extra care for the few students, they can create some unique idea inside the classroom. So that cases of, when we move on that AI, when we move on that uh, latest trends, emerging trends in the educational research driven, that four major concerns is available. One is that personalized learning model, learning analysis, AI assistance for that curriculum activity of the design, and remotely we can manage, because it's not easy to be controlled inside the classroom. Remotely also we can train the people with the pace of the AI platform process. What is the benefit? Or is very easy, or it is very good, or it's not fit for that Asiatic education systems? Yes, they have lot of benefits of its real-time feedback assessment process is available. Speed of the scalability, that I told that previously we have to be evaluate more than 7 days for 120 students. Now 7 seconds or 1 minute is enough to evaluate these 120 students. Improve the data driven decisions making, that was a huge demand day by day in the part of the academic systems. Yes, we have few challenge. It's not easy to create your own algorithms for your own subject, own situations. You have to give lot of parameters. Dependence on the technology and reduce the human judgment, that also slightly affect to the education systems, because sometimes we can give one extra bonus point, students is very good, but not give the proper answers in the particular questions. The approach is the correct. So that way we have to be understand the human judgment can be introduced inside that AI tool. And finally the ethical part, yes, it's very dangerous issues out nowadays, the ethics of the AI, because lot of that process research academic systems is move on in the AI, so we are forgetting the ethical part. So that also we have to be discussed today, what exactly the ethics is the major concerns inside the AI process. Before you start, I have to be execute one by one your understanding the hands-on, because it's everything theory is available everywhere, but today I have to be give you the hands-ons one by one, so it is easy to understand that technique process and what exactly we are doing day by day. Basically first we have to be using the traditional way, what the people they use in Python code, Google Colab, to represent the basic structures of the comparative study of in some bar chart. So this is the one basics code of the three subject, math, science, and the English, four students data, and we want to execute in the Google Colab, because sometimes the current trends, the people are very active in the Python and they're creating the unique bar representation process to tell that output in the research papers, or that academic content is nice color, is of nice representations, easy to understand. This is fine, but this is now also old. People don't have time to create the Python code for individual systems in the structure, so this we cannot use nowadays. So what is the next level? So what we can represent it as a AI, easy to understand, easy to way to reforming the structures of the comparative study of two students, three students, with the four subject, three subjects. So what is the way? So that I will demonstrate in the next few couple of the tool, because a lot of AI tool is available which can give you the effective result in the terms of different kind of categories. The first AI tool, what as a students, as a academician, as a parents, as a guardians, everybody can use. It's very interesting. Teach anything. Google is already old. Google search engine, they are giving a lot of things, but it's not that effective result. But this particular AI tool, which you can give you the different level of the queries, basics level, advanced level, which type of purpose you are using this particular content, everything they are giving. One small example, basically who are in doing the PhD students, or of the final year of the BTech students, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, 6 semesters students. So they have to be understand the complex answers in their assignment or the target of that audience. So that how you can explain. So this is the very interesting AI tool. I will demonstrate this part. So take anything, this is that window, and you can teach yourself understanding the different kind of process, and also in different languages, because sometimes the people they have difficulty to the English, to Bengali, Hindi, whatever you have that understand the process. So you can change your language and understand that technique. So I will just demonstrate this part, so it is easy to be execute as a students, as a academicians in different level. I just copy the link and I just paste here. So this is the window will be open. Any questions? Very simple thing. I want to do some critical research in fintech research with blockchain technology. So this is the my questions, what exactly we want to get some answers. And maybe this is not available at all in the research papers, but this technology AI, they can give your different languages, which languages you want. Apart from that, which level you want, easy or professionals. I go for easy basics level, and I click that generate the answers. So this AI extract the result of what exactly your content link with your search process. They will give the answers. So basically, this link with the part of that chat gpt AI tool, AI processes that data, they summarize, extract, and they project it you. So this is the very interesting tool, and this is very free. You can use, upgrade yourself any type of answers, questions, concept in your own languages, and depends on your professionalism, that what exactly you need, easy level, professional level, whatever you want. Now I want to add something with sample parameter, because I don't know what type of parameters is used for this particular research process. So I just add with sample parameters. Again, I use easy to professional, because I want to need some extra answers to creativity process, just to see exactly they gave the principle, and the applications is the way that what exactly we need in the research content in our process. So this is the way they will give you the extra informations which is not available inside the Google or any research paper. They study, they extract, and they will give you the process of the understanding the process of any particular domain. So this is also you can use for your uh, academic journey or research journey in the terms of first level. This is example one of the tool one. Next, uh, AI tool 2 or example 2 with the part of Wolfram Alpha. It's very interesting platform. It's free. AI powered tool basically depends on the structural data of search wave process. As a mathematician, as a chemistry, as a biology, as a physics, any kind of department, they can directly link inside that particular platform, where they can create their own creativity in the terms of as a academician, question paper, assignment, new creativity. Because whatever we create the questions, people they can copy paste chat gpt, try to get the answers. But these questions some completely creativity which is not available in the Google, that I'll demonstrate one by one. And as a science, engineer, history, whatever department you want, you can be directly get the AI powered tool to create your unique informations about the academic process inside the classroom techniques. This is that infrastructures of that web-based platform, where you can get algebraic plotting the graphs, calculation analysis like mathematics, physics, chemistry, engineering, computational science, people, arts, media, world heuristics, money, finance, personal health, every type of department. They link these things inside this platform, and they can create, generate lot of things depends on the particular process of this uh, AI driven things. I just copy this process and I execute this, so you can easily understand how it will be work. I just copy the name and you can paste in the Google. Click the first link, it will be available. It's free, there is no login required. Maybe I want to create some creativity in that, plotting the question papers as a faculty of that mathematics. Just click this and I can get the different kind of answers what exactly you need, and what exactly you have to save the data for your research, which way you have to download, vectorically, web based, raster graphics, because sometimes some research paper they need the graphical abstract. So that kind of creativity you can easily create for this particular platform. I want to create some chemistry questions. As academicians, sample questions lot of are available. You can change, you can modify, you can whatever the features you want to add, you can extra add, and just click the generate. So they will showcase you one by one each steps, each module of that calculations they will provide you. So this is the way your understandability of that particular features of any subject matters inside the classroom activity. This AI tool make you the advanced level of the professors, advanced level of the academicians or the teachers in the terms of the AI. Now we can move on that three of AI tool 3, that is that very interesting part, that data wrapper. It's a different kind of AI tool. Basically, sometimes some researchers they want graph map, basically who are working in the graph theory based research, shortest distance path algorithms they are doing the research. They need to be create their own map, own graph, which is not directly copied from the Google map. It's oldest techniques. So as a academician, as a researchers, as a journalist, what type of data professional can link to create the mapping systems? So that is the most creativity platform in this AI tool, data wrapper. Clean publications ready for the graphics, real-time preview and the customizations also available. And sometimes your own embedded data you can link in this platform. I will give you that that small idea how this AI platform link for this particular data wrapper process. So basically they have labeling systems. Each labeling they detect the real time error, and that error they minimize and they can give you the actual graph of the real time data. So these recommendation systems they will give you the best AI tool for supporting for the graph based representations in your research article, research content or the research papers, which is you can create some unique creativity in the platform data wrapper process. As a students, as academicians, obviously it's a huge demand. It's a huge meaningful content creators you can create of in the inside the classroom, either it's research papers or the lectures, or that you can be create some competitions between the hackathon technique or the research explore. That is we did in the last year in our organizations, to create the unique shortage part of that pizza delivery boy. So they create the entire project AI tool with this particular platform. So I will give you this hands-on idea how it will be work. It's very simple. Just this link I just copy and paste in the Google, and then this is the window will be visible. No need to log in, just to create map. So this is that unique, completely unique process of that data wrapper, which is not available of any other AI tool. Your research papers get uniquely way. Just click the located map. Depends on your locations, depends on your of default it's enter world map, it's linked. So just I easy to be understand, I just copy from that Google map that particular locations. Just you go to the Google map, click. So it's difficult to search the different kind of things. I just write RIT Kosovo because I just want to search this particular process. This is the RIT Kosovo in there. So I just zoom in, just right click that main building. So because I want to project it this graph in my research paper, just right click, copy this content, go to the map. Here you paste, click it. It's default, it is linked there. Then you can text RIT Kosovo. It's added. Now I want to slightly change and I move on in different directions for my travel. So I just change 40 and 27. And I just put the name my travel. So this is the way you can create your own map, what exactly the your target. Just you copy from the Google map that longitude or attitude, that part. Then you can give your input from these creations, and you can create whatever you want. Maybe you have multiple things, you can off one on, depends on which exactly you want. You can change the color, you can access, you can give some features, a lot of different kind of symbolic notations you can use it, which can give the meaningful data of the representations of the mapping systems of that your research. So this kind of creativity in the mapping level, that not only the Google map, the mapping level process, you can easily generate, create multiple lines, multiple things, so you can easily be make in your process with that dark mode, this normal mode, different colors, different features, zoom. Sometimes you want to represent the things, the cloudy environment, so that also you can easily add it inside the features of this graph representation techniques. So this is the one of the unique way. Some research papers, some research activity, they want the graphical abstract with the different representations. That data also you can create this data wrapper process. Next, basically, uh, number four, or the fourth number of tool. So it's also the very interesting. Basically, sometimes people, they want to play, they want to do something creativity in the terms of uh, text or the data mining researchers. So sometimes the people, they don't want to explore uh, what I can say, that creating that cloud of the data, or the data cloud, that is old techniques. Now the research papers, they not accept if you create the text cloud or the data cloud representation, so they need something new. uh, Day by day, the people, they want same research but different kind of representation. So that also the one of the major concerns, how the AI can support. So that cases, the this tool is completely free, and it is AI based web platform where you can analyze and visualize the textual data. So who are doing the text mining research, they directly default this platform. It's very interesting and technical process. What you can do, you can create your unique patterns, unique trends, uh, unique knowledge based keyword content collections, correlations between the relations data, and what I can say, that you can do your own trends graph. So that is that one of the unique thing, trend graphs and the bubble line. So that I'll showcase you in this particular tool, where you can be used as a effective way. How it will be work, how this AI can support this text mining research. Obviously, it's under NLP, which can be extract the automatically feature process, either it is token or the part of the speech or the some terms. That way, textual analysis also can be add on in this AI tool platform. The entity recognitions also be in the part of this tool. Trend detections, so that is very interesting. I'll go for the hands-on process, you can easily understand how it will be looks like. Then you can be give some use case, what you can use in a research paper, where you can be involved in that AI based process. I'll come out one by one. As a students, as academicians, you can use your uh, analyze in the research papers with the key idea, build your own data driven projects. As a faculty papers, literature review is the most important part for that publication, before pre publications work, that you can do it. and you have to be graph in large text data set. That is the very interesting process. I will showcase you in the hands-on way. Same thing. So first I have to be copy the link and paste in the Google. This is that platform where you can be easily, if you can get some research content. Okay, so basically if, I need some abstract of the research paper, so I just take some one of the IEEE publications. From there I can take some uh, abstract, so easily you can be understand the research content. I'll give you the both example, technical, non-technical way. I just copy from this abstract or the text content. You have the 200 page of these things, whatever, you can do it just to paste there. You can upload, open, all options are there. It's a very simple thing. Just click reveal. Take some time. They create word cloud or text cloud is old. Don't do that part. It's leave it. This is no value. Click the link. That is the very uniquely way. So entire research content is depends on neural network and deep learning. So this blue color is the main gist of the research paper. So before study of this research paper, I just copy and paste in the content, and they will blue color, they represent the strong relations of the particular research content process. So this is the one of the best text mining technique in the part of different way, where you can get lot of informations in this text mining research process. So this is the one of the very interesting. Then I come the bubbling is that different relations, that I'll come out with a small example, then it will be easy to understand. This is the way you can get that major concern, major content of that reflection process of a research process, research techniques in the terms of deep learning or AI tool for your text process. Now I just copy paste from that non-technical content, that it is work or not. That also I want to see, and how it will be give the very interesting uh, idea of that process. Just I refresh the page and I paste the non-technical content. Just I click this. So they create lot of cloud. Just to see right side, they extract the content which can represent my different kind of identifications. One is the patent, and second thing is that part of the membership. So these two unique recognitions represent a better way in the terms of my other informations. So this kind of unique process you can easily use for your upcoming research techniques. Basically, one of the HR of a company, they want to create a software where they extract the basics technical knowledge to the upcoming future technical knowledge expertise. So that idea, I create the software from this particular platform, and the maximum number of peak value, we just give the suggestion to that particular company. These people have these two major good features. It's very interesting project, and just create a tool with the help of this AI platform. So this is the way you can get the maximum level of text mining, what exactly you represent each other's, and this kind of the major unique process. Same thing, the international receive and the patents. So this is that unique notifications or summarize of that your content paragraph, depends on that text mining technique. Next, uh, it's not old, it's not new. It's last couple of the year, people are directly depends on. But currently, last couple of months, they have lot of AI features they introduce inside this Power BI. Basically, this is not Excel. This is not Excel at all, and this is not the part of any kind of comparative study. This is that AI where you can do the business intelligence that I told, data collection process, and how to represent the data. It's not the Python code, one bar chart, that is not required. Different type of data visualizations which can represent inside the Power BI. Yes, Power BI is the part of the Microsoft based tool, and it's introduced basics Excel, database, web base, SQL, Azure's lot of auto replacements, analytical techniques installed inside the platform, and it is free for a few purposes. It's not that all type of business intelligence you can do it, but few purpose it will be fully free. Both it is available cloud and the desktop. So both way you can easily use this particular platform. Is the common questions that how that Power BI and that AI can be linked, or what the basic structures in background. Because if you understand that link, so then you can use your research content or research work or the academics in the classroom activity in the part of this platform. So basically, if, questions answer features, uh, decomposition tree use case in the terms of machine learning, in the terms of the smart narratives, data trends of the text summaries. So that all installed in the part of the AI process. So this is the way the people they easily created some content of visualizations of the research process in the terms of data. Obviously is benefit in the terms of students, in the benefit as researchers, educators. If you want the capstone projects, if you do the assignment, hackathon, data visualizations, storytelling concept inside the research process, performance of the students, collaborating research insiders dashboards, so that everything you can link in this particular Power BI. Obviously I'll go for the demonstration process to easy to be executing techniques in the terms of data. Before start that, one of that statement is very important. Turn complex data set into clean, compelling visual stories. This is called Power BI. That means you need a data set. You need a complex data set. This is a huge number of data. It's not easy to understand. That into clean. So when we remove the other part, clean data set, and then we can give some story which is visualize the informations, meaning of the data, relation of the data, everything can represent the visually inside the Power BI. Now I can again go for the demonstration, so easy to understand. Just copy the link and you can paste the link. It takes some time, it's maybe 1 minute, less than 1 minute, because it's not uh, free versions inside the cloud storage. Try to log in by your institution's email id, so it is easy for that process. So then it will be very creativity. Click the create. I have Excel, I have CSV file, I have directly copy paste or database. I'll come for one by one. First I click the Excel, I click it. Then you have the two options, link and the upload. I click the upload, browse, and I want to see the Excel which is available. Lot of Excels are there. I just click sample, sample. When I click it, it takes some time to uploading the data. because the Excel is more than 10 lakhs data are there. Click the next. Now Power BI process the data, understand the data, which is, we have multiple options. I just click the first one, order to be installed inside this number of data to the Power BI. Now they prepare the data, they loading the data to the report, and finally they will visualize, allow to visualize the relations, the content, the meaning, the informations about the data in this Power BI platform. They are checking one by one. If it is good data, they will be allow. If it is not proper data, they will give the error part, that this data is not fit for the Power BI because the few data are not clean, few data are you fake data created by the manually, not created by the automatic system. So that everything they are checking. So this is the way that you can easily create your content before start the data analysis technique. You can easily get it your informations in the terms of data process. It will take some time because of that um, different kind of data set, and the speed of the internet also is required to be give the proper informations. And this checking system takes some 2 to 3 minutes time of this data clean and then convert the process, and directly they will tell that error if the data is not clean. If it is some informations are missing, they will not allow to upload. So this is the way they are checking all the data. It's loading your data, that means they are checking all, each and every column. So that is the way they are checking each data set, finishing off. And now the data is clean and already uploaded in the platform. Just to click the right side, and you can say that lot of things. Now whatever I want, the Power BI, more than 15,000 different graphical representations are available. 15,000 minimum. I'll, I'll come out one by one. Just I want city, customer ID, profit, and I want this informations here available just to see automatically the summations, the sum value they created. I just want this graph. Click it, the graph is created. Not only that, sometimes we can create the multiple graph inside the one part of the representations. I want here the maximum number of profit. Just to click this, and I can create this. So this is the maximum number of profit which can do. So that means two graph we can represent here in the part of this platform. Not only two, multiple. I want the different graph now. This thing city and that cells. So city wise cell, so they can give the information, so like that. So Power BI is the very interesting and very diplomatic way to give your outcomes from the background processing systems of all kind of data. So, and it is multi data representation systems in cloud and the desktop, so both is to be available. So this is a very interesting, and you can practice, and you can be one day expert in the Power BI data representations, which is a huge demand in Europe for the job process also. Next, example 6. So what I can say, most of the people of upcoming researchers, they are fully depend on this platform, this AI tool. But it's not good. But what to do, as if advanced academicians should we understand the advanced AI tool to create your own creativity in the terms of the research. This Storm Stanford is one of the open source language agent platform, like AI agent, personal assistant of your office. So that kind of concept they introduce in the part of these things. Basically, they create this AI tool to understand the inside research lab, but it's a huge demand, huge marketing, creating cost. So now they went for the commercializations, and they put it inside the large language model, LLM. So this is the very interesting idea inside this open source framework to understand that API environment in the terms of AI process. The main key features are that obviously it's open source, supporting multi-steps reasoning tools, and different kind of third-party services also available inside this particular process. Now the question is how this storm is works. This directly AI give the support, or the language NLP they execute the background, or you have to be understand the chain of thought prompting to simulate the reasoning. So this is the main process, the blockchaining inside this particular AI tool. They link with the NLP command, they converted the context management, and finally the decision making system. So this everything they introduce inside this particular process. Obviously, who are the benefit? Everybody is benefit, either students, either researchers, either developer. Everybody's default, they are very effectively, they are depends on this strong platform. I'll show you the demonstration. You can be easily understand how the research current trends is move on. Before start that, obviously that one of that comment came, easy to turn powerful language models into useful tool using agents. Previously, you cannot scold your personal assistant in the office, but now the AI can scold and extract the data from the personal assistant process. So this is the main background story of this Storm process. Similarly, I have to demonstrate. Just I copy this link and paste here. You can log in with the part of this institution email ID is best for that. Okay, so it's very good. I just want to practice that one of that research content. We want to create an article. Same thing, I want to create fintech research. No, I want to create that something new, that um, what exactly the people move on. Cognitive AI, base cancer detection in UK area people. Just randomly, I just give some questions to that platforms. Please share the motivations and what you hope to achieve with your topics. Research for helping cancer dataset, new creation. I just give the small things background. Just yeah, this AI agent that my personal assistant, they are asking some questions to understand my requirement. So frequently they will ask you one or two questions, and then uh, they will trying to extract all the sources, either the data source, Google, uh, different kind of libraries, everything they will link. Maximum they will take the 3 minutes, and your 3 months of research papers which is required to create minimum. So that entire process you can create with 3 minutes maximum. So just to see how much data browsing they created already, and they are now summarize. Step 3 is done. That means they extract the informations, and they want to create that large language model, that LLM, what exactly I told. This is inside that Storm AI tool. And step 4 is done. Now they will give that entire content within a few seconds. Just few seconds, depends on your but see, if you have the GPU machine, it's very good to execute this particular AI tool, because I installed more than 17 18 tools are there. Just to see your research paper is ready. First, abstract, background, cognitive AI technology, applications of cancer detections, case studies, challenges, limitations, futures, ethical considerations. So, and then they can ask you a few questions, depends on your interest, you can give or not. So that is the part of the things. So your assistants in the office, they make your job like that. Your agent, AI agent, they write your entire paper. Just imagine. So within a few minutes. So 3 months job they can complete in 3 minutes. So this is the platform. So this is the way you can create your unique content, either classrooms, either research, either of the academicians or the industrialists to content create, and with that uniquely technically strong way. So this is that best platform for entire things. But please remember, this is AI generate, so it's not your research papers. To understand the knowledge, you can use this content. Don't copy and paste for your publications. That is not your content, it's generated by the AI. This is the big mistake, big ethical issue inside this particular platform. If you copy paste, maybe it is not plagiarism, but after few years it will be retract your entire contents because the AI detectors. So don't try to copy paste for your research papers. It's generated by the AI, so AI is the owner of this content. So what you can do, you can read, understand, and gain the knowledge from this content. So this purpose you can use your entire research process to understand the new creativity techniques idea. Okay, it's already six. It's already 1 hour over. So in between, maybe some audience have some questions. So basically, I understand that I have to be understand what exactly the people they want. If they uh, any queries in between their mind, please chat in the chat box so I can easily understand that the audience requirement, so I can move on that directions in terms of the AI tool or AI process. So we can spend for 2 to 3 minutes time. If you have things inside the part of any queries, please put in the chat box so it's easy to continue the next another 1 hour, depends on your process. So any queries in your mind, any questions, feel free to ask. Put in the chat box for 5 minutes. We can go for the discussions.
Sir, it was really a lively session that you are doing. Hands-on session. I didn't expect this, but everyone is enjoying, sir. And you have explained, a new things to us, which we have never heard. So thank you so much, sir. So participant, you can also, sir has given 5 minutes, so you can ask to Professor Samantha. Either you can unmute your also. You can unmute yourself and you can ask. Sir, see the chat box.
Yes, 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 yes.
Everyone is. Thank you.
So,
Thank you so much.
uh, yes, AI. One questions came that AI is check the plagiarism. Yes, that AI content also that now the next level, the AI detector, the different kind of plagiarism detector are available. So that is the content by that created by the AI or chat gpt whatever. So basically chat gpt, they cannot create your research paper, they can give the informations advanced level of the google, but storm they create your research content, entire research paper, entire ppt, entire of research methodology. You want to create some different kind of algorithms, so that also they can create with a strong platform, so that way you can use for your research process. No,
Doctor, I have a
whatever I have.
question.
Yes,
Doctor,
please.
I have
Yes,
a
please.
question.
Yes, please.
First of all, full compliments to you for your brilliant session. Very, very useful, very, very informative, and doubt level. And that's why very less questions are there. My only very, very simple question to is that most of the AI tools that you have just discussed, uh, are they available free of cost, or most of them are available free of cost,
All
or
freeze.
there are paid versions also?
No, all free versions,
All
all
free.
free.
Yeah.
Because I know this AI tool is costly, but in Asiatic perspective, I always try to search which is free. So today, all the process are free tool.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, professors. Okay, one question is very interesting in the terms of the copyright. Yes, basically, uh, till now, none of the AI content creators, company level, they not claiming as a copyright process, but day by day number of users, day by day number of content if more created by the ai, obviously after 1 or 2 years they have the copyright issue. So it's till now the ai content, it's not the under the copyright, but in futures it's obviously it's maybe company level or which ai tool you are using, that should be the part of that under the copyright process. Thank you. It's very very good questions. I appreciate the audience, uh, effective audience. They are asking these questions. Okay, we can move on. That yes, one last questions. Then I can on the next process. From the data wrapper, it is possible to download all type of data. Yes, yes, yes. It's free. It's fully free. All type of data wrapper of the mapping data you can download which format you want, either it is jpg format, png format, excel format, csv format, or sometimes data wrapper they have their own format which dot wd, so that content also you can be easily execute in the process of depends on your download system process, so everything you can do it. So it's very easy. Okay, now I can move on that next part.
Sir, you are muted. You are muted, sir. Please unmute. Yes.
Unmute me. Yes.
Yes, now.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So basically, I want to purchase today a new item. I want to purchase a new laptop. So what I can do, I can search in the Google, then Amazon, then Flipkart, comparative study, go to the local market, and then I purchase the laptop. These are techniques. So same thing way, research paper, that in number of research papers is available, but which is good, better, best for me, who will find? My assistant, she is ill, 1 month is not coming to my office, how I can do it? Yes, ai too is the very best ai agent who can help you to find the best research papers. I will demonstrate and other things. So this also that AI content process and this semantic search tool. So it's very interesting concept behind these platforms. All the academic papers, what exactly you want, what kind of paper you want, which level you want, which area you want, what type of data set you want. That everything, if you give the information, they will create the best top 20 research papers all over world and they will give you. And it's uh, not only the computer science, whatever you want, medical, electrical, computer science, physics, chemistry, dramatic, languages, any debates, type of department content are inside this AI too. How does work, that what exactly that behind the AI techniques. Basically, obviously it's a part of this default NLP, because that transformation of the contents or the queries understandability is possible only for the NLP. So that NLP is default. Then they have to give the keyword matching systems, one keyword to next database keyword matching systems. They have to be understand that meaningful extractions from the matching process, and then they throw the large number of research papers to your requirement. So uh, obviously that another big problem is citations, how to link. Don't worry, this tool, this agent, this helping hand, they will cite your research process. Depends on your citations, which way you want, which content process they will help you. Is it required for the academicians? Yes, as a students is required. Literature review, assignments, discover the papers, natural language process, queries, incest of learning such syntax. It's a very interesting meaning of that. Learning such syntax, all the students they knows, but they need that conversion of natural language queries inside the learning such syntax. So this is the way they can use this AI tool for paper finder. Researchers speed up the work because 3 years 4 years they have to complete your PhD work. If you not do the proper literature review, how you can create your art of the research? State of the art of methods cannot be possible if you don't have the good literature review. As academicians, as educators, obviously it's very difficult to support the students queries different way. So that you to be understand how much you can study literature review from the existing all over the world. Research trends understanding also is difficult. That also be specific domain on the part of that AI too can support you. Now I can come out for that uh, what I can say platform, hands-on. It's easy to understand. I just go to the copy paste, go to this AI tool, just paste here. It's free, and try to uh, log in from the your what I can say, institution's email ID. It's very easy to get the extra features for that. Normally if it's free. Okay. Maybe you want to do the research on mental health disorders, something things. So I just do the stress detection.
Sir, you are not audible actually. Professor Debabrata, I think there is some connectivity issue. Please wait. Please wait. He will join. There is some network issue from Professor Samantha's side. He is going to join again. So please wait.
Sorry, because the power cut off in entire building. So
No problem, sir. No problem.
this,
It happens, sir.
sorry
It
for
happens.
this
It happens, sir.
5 minutes. This part, it's
No problem, sir. No problem. Not a problem. Sir, please unmute. You are muted again. Professor, please unmute. You are muted again.
unmute
Yes, sir.
me. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry for this time, for this technical
No problem, sir.
features.
No
Sorry
problem.
for that.
It
No problem.
happens.
Okay. So now these the new platforms that AI2 paper finder. I want to do some research in the stress detections using AI and the age between 21 to 35, because this is the huge pressure of that Asiatic people youth day by day. And I need some less time complexity, because lot of algorithms are available which require the huge time. So this way I can give the features that I want: stress detections, which only for AI, uh, ML, or LLP complexity, so that you can easily give the instruction to the AI detector. So then they will uh, analyze your questions in different way. What exactly we need, what exactly we want. They create the three different target. One is the stress, one is the age, one is the low time complexity. So this is the summarize they create. After that, they started that number of research papers which exactly you want. So they got three research papers and they will give you the right side. So it's 3 is the relevant. So more than 72 is stress release, but only complexity less on your product, only 3. And the age group target 21 to 35, they give one research paper. So this way, what exactly your questions you throw, you search to this particular AI tool, they will give you this n number of research papers to you, and it is free. Don't worry, just to click these research papers, click here, it's open a new page, and they'll give exactly your that research content. Just you scroll down, no, I want this paper, just to click this, and they can give you that particular research content. So this way, whatever you have that queries, the research finder, and they have the one options: report a missing paper. So maybe you feel that, no, I want something extra which is missing from this search engine. They gave you the 73 papers. No, I have some different kind of extra. You can add it. uh, can you please add with parameters, because this also one of the uh, new features for your algorithm set. Just you add this one. So they will extract these questions to link with the search engine, and their engine, they analyze the request, refine the queries, and then they will give the solutions. Now they will give you the number of research work, research process, finding ranking of the paper. So they will do that, which is that rank 1, rank 2 best papers to you, finalize the response, and now within a few seconds that they will give you the research papers response. Refresh this page automatically. Now they are telling, I'll give you the 110 research papers. So 110 research papers, all the added features, the model parameters in the content they give you. So this is the way you can give the instructions, and they will create your new content. Depends on the part of the request of the paper finding, because if you get the good paper, so automatically your research model roadmap will be correctly. So this is the way you can use better helping hand in the part of research paper finding AI tool in this platform. Okay, now we can move on that next part, research rabbit. It's also very interesting. Is one of the best till now AI tool. All the academicians, researchers, because research rabbit, they give everything, including the citations. They will find the research gap from this particular process. Visually, they will understanding creativity idea to represent the collaborations. They can give you the AI based paper recommendations also. Don't study this paper, study this paper. So that kind of recommendations also they will give you, this particular research rabbit platforms. uh, Obviously, if AI background, they have the different kind of technology. It's basically mapping between co-authorship networks. So this is a very interesting techniques, because sometimes the co-authorship citation tree, if you create, easily understand the roadmap of the research. So what exactly research gap is available, you can easily find this particular platform. I do not know is the time to demonstrate. So obviously, it's students, researchers, academicians, educators, everybody directly help on this research rabbit platform. So I just showcase you that one of the hands-on, so it is easy to understand how it will be work. Just to copy paste the link, and obviously you have to be login. I always try to log in by the institution's email ID. It's very easy to be get the maximum features. Click the new collections. Today, FDP, I create the new connections. Okay, after that, I what exactly my target. So what exactly my research process, how to research rabbit help me for this particular domain. I'll showcase you. Maybe I want to create I am that uh, image processing expertise, but I want to do the new thing in the research. So what I can search, that cancer detection in North India region, North India, INDIA area, with women age more than 45. So this is the my questions target of the particular process. Just to click the search, it's very interesting way. They will give you the best top 200 research work. First, you study the abstract, and you can create that add connections. I don't want to this, I want this. So like that, you can just collect which research paper you feel which is relevant to you. After the collected, you just click this close. Now you can create automatically extractions, the summary of the similar work. This content, 1200 people already similar work are available. So just to see this bubbling, citations, co-authorship relations bubbling. So that is why it is required. This link are bubbler link. So these research papers, no new contents are available. All are similar type. But this part is unique, island. So that means these research contents are unique. Follow this research paper to extract the idea. So this is the way. These two bubble are link each other. So these two paper have some similar. Don't need to study. If unique idea is available, just like island. So this is the island, this is the unique paper. So these two are the same, no need. These research papers are that link each other. So this is the way you can easily understand my research content, which paper I have to study, and extract fully unique idea to modify and create my research content. So this is the way you can be easily understanding this tree between the citations process, authorship process, idea, content. So this is the entire summarize. You can do it between this research rabbit process. So this is the very interesting idea to be create your own idea, research roadmap uniquely, which is not available, very less number of people they are doing, and they can create a process. Just to see this research paper, 16 authors, they have one content, they have three, so these already link each other. So this content no need to study for that research gap finding process. So you can easily understand what kind of research papers you can study to create the process of uniqueness, so people can be reflect your idea as unique. So just to say, here is one tree is link, here is one tree is link, so this is the uniqueness. So this research papers is very unique idea is available. So this is the way the rabbit, that research rabbit is the best for understanding the research gap, research design uniquely way for your research process. This is not free. So this is the one of the software is Asiatic environment, not free, but in Europe, a few country they already purchased government of that European Union, that is available. So I don't want to waste the time because this is not free. Maximum one times you can use in the login password, but it's very effective for the paraphrasing the sentence, minimize the plagiarism part of the content creator process, and improve your AI content. So that's I don't want to waste the time for this. Next tool, because of last 10-20 minutes we can go for that discussion, so it is easy to understand the AI process. This is very interesting because sometimes when you go for the thesis defense or final year BTech or master degree, you have to be questions answer defense process. You have to be upgrade yourself. Google did not give that much level, so you have to be understand the technical content of your research, what type of questions they can ask. That idea you can go this AI tool, answer this.io is very interesting. Researchers, educators, students of nowadays is finding this accurate reference based answers. Sometimes people are telling I read, understand and tell the answers. It's impossible in the PhD defense. You have to give the proper answer with proper reference, otherwise they will tell it is fake or lie your answers. So that shows that AI academic database they mixed and they create the answers with the citation based process. Obviously it's high educations and the research environment creating process. A lot of different kind of use case are available, a lot of different kind of activity uh, process involved inside this particular AI tool. So I just come out that hands-on, so it is very easy to understand that you can be used in your research activity process. Just a copy paste, so it's easy to be. Then you can go same thing, sign in by your institution's email ID. It's very easy to be link. And sometimes if it is multiple login, just to change your log email, because you can create multiple email and it will be very easy to move on that way. So basically same thing, I want to create a research papers, research content, so it's very uniquely, but I don't know how to create the research map, different kind of summarize what understanding in the papers. It's a lot of things is required. So that entire things as a AI agent or your helping hand or your personal assistant of the office, they can be like that same things. I want to do this research maybe if in the terms of um, text data mining for image cyber threats to transfer informations. So I create data mining, image processing, and cybersecurity. Maybe it is not available in the world, but I will try to create the new research domain. So I just search. So this AI tool will analyze in that part of uh, what exactly you want, what is my background, because you're logging in this particular platform. So they will search your old research paper, what exactly you are. So this AI, they judgmentally they give the answers, what who are the users. So if you log in by your kids, so they will give the kids level of the answers. If you log in by the professors, they will give the professors level of the answers. So this is the new features they add inside this AI tool, because that which login, that login which type of research papers, research environment link, that also they will extract. So that's when they will take some time to uh, create, evaluate of that uniqueness of the process. And I gave these questions slightly different way, so it's not easy to be get. So that's when they will take some time, but AI is AI, so I gave the answers within before 1 minute. Text mining in cyber threat intelligence, they gave the answers with the proper citations, table, data, everything. Entire paper is ready within a few seconds. So, and they gave also some study what exactly you want. They gave you. Basically, I don't have a time to read this number of research paper. You can ask the questions. You can chat with that AI tool. Read this paper. Tell me what the summary is available, what the features are available. So this kind of also answers you can easily get it. Just to see this the paper is available. Chat with the paper. So what complexity in this research? It's a common question. Someone is creating a research work, publish research papers as academicians to grow the new academic tool in the terms of research content. The existing complexity is the most important part. You ask the question. So this thinking means AI is reading this paper and they will give the answers to you. So that means your helping hand, your agent will give you the answers in the terms of this AI platform also. So it's a very interesting tool. It's have that pro versions also is available, that that advanced level of this AI process. And any kind of difficulty of the understanding any research papers, just you upload here and you ask the questions, they will explain in your easy to understand language process. So this also the one of the best platforms where you can get the idea to explore uh, research process. So this question is not available in this answers in these papers. That means they not calculate their own complexity in the research papers. That's why they are not giving the answers. They are thinking they are taking the more time. So I will ask the what questions is available. Okay, what kind of input image, what kind of input image they use. So this kind of questions depends on that papers you can ask. So it's immediately they will give you the answers. So it's taking some time because of my internet speed is very less, and we need the GPU machine. So sometimes depends on the platform also, it's affect the time duration process. Okay, we'll go for the other part. So it will be in between time, it will be take some time. So I'll come back again when AI think and give the result. Okay, so this is that tool. Uh, but the question is, before go for the question answers for 10 minutes, we have to be understand that AI platform for research, data collection, data design, research design. Okay, everything they are helping you. They it's good for you. But the question is, please create a mindset of that we will not copy paste. We can use the AI to understand the research, to modify the research, to create a new idea of the research, but not the content copy paste. Number one. Second thing is that AI creating the research paper within 3 minutes. That is AI created. So AI is the owner. You are not the owner. So please don't misunderstand this part. Directly copy paste AI content, copyright, self plagiarism, AI detect a lot of things is there. So that unethical, ethical part you have to be understand. So what we conclude that AI should be the tool for equity, just a platform. I can minimize my task. I have lot of workload. I cannot do the entire research part, but I am taking the AI for helping to minimize my task. That is the AI process, not just efficiency. So don't think that copy paste an entire content AI and you paste there. So this is the way you have to be understand this process. So before go for the closing, so I want to see these answers came or not. Yes, just to see. So I asked the questions. What questions I asked? That complexity to this paper, research paper. So just to see. So these different categories of the complexity of crypto steganography and my questions image process. So they give the another research content on the complexity, entire things. They gave you with the proper citations, with proper process, just like a research process, research papers. So they gave you, so you can study to understand the questions. I want to see the last answers they gave or not. They gave the future challenges. So that means upcoming futures, what kind of complexity can be face your research, they also they gave. So this is the proper roadmap is predefined, pre-designed within a few seconds with this particular AI tool, answer this.io. This very interesting process. So this also you can use this process in your research content creation techniques. Yes, so I think any questions came or not. It's like the ACI space is very different. ACI space are available for the different kind of data storage process, and it is not the part of AI installed inside the ACI space. They are using only for that Google search, categorize text mining, and they will give the result. So that is the not that ACI space at all. uh, Second thing is that when you want to do this any kind of AI for your research, so you try to always be projected in the part of your own informations, don't upload. So that is another things, because AI can misuse your own informations, the user's informations in a different way. So that is the another agenda of, sometimes a few AI tool they will ask you your own informations, what you are doing, your registration number, sometimes your PhD guidance process guide name. So this kind of few questions they will ask you. So these kind of things you cannot execute the process. Okay. One people they want to understand that Jenny may AI. Okay, no problem. I'll have some time so I can showcase that part so you can easily understand that also. Okay.
Sir, you are muted, sir. Please unmute.
I they already block my IP address because I use multiple free web page of that process. uh okay, I just create this. When you log in this GenAI AI, this is the platform. So what exactly you have to be ask the questions, then which level you want, they will give you. So I need same things that I want to create some research, ACI level research papers, or the very very strong research contents, or new algorithm for detecting. Just to see, when I have typing this red color, that means it's not AI will give the support. So you give that maximum information, so they will support you. Detection of smile face of baby. Again, yellow color. It is not proper information is coming when they are playing in a park. Just to see, now it is green color, so that means this information is available properly to AI understand your questions. They'll give the answers. So basically, I received one project last semester's, one of the uh, basically baby care center. So they need one camera software that when they are playing the kids, uh, they are happy or unhappy, or they have some problems, because some people, some kids, they not express, they not cry, but they are sitting someplace, they are not actively move on. So they are happy, unhappy, that questions is coming. So I got a project and we finish, we submitted. So that is that idea, that I create one questions to the AI. So, and AI will start writing for me entire research paper, so don't worry. They will give read, accept, done. Again, one sentence they will do for me. If you ready to accept, accept, or you can deny, your choice. So depends on things. Entire questions with the reference, entire research papers they will create within a few minutes. Depends on your queries, depends on your uh, idea. So they create a unique title also. So algorithms for detecting the infant smile in park environment. So this way, the literature review, methodology, result, discussion, conclusions, everything they will create for you such papers. Now the questions, maybe I don't like this sentence, I don't like this is the sentence what AI generate. Just select, right click, click the AI editor, paraphrase the sentence, and paraphrase a different way, academically, strongly, friendly, technically, non-technical way. It's different way, because some journal they want American English, some journal they want European English, Australian English. So which way you want to represent, just to friendly. So they change the sentence, the meaning is same, and if it is okay, click and replace the sentence, done. So paraphrasing done. So your research content is now plagiarism free. So this is the way, is very easy to create your entire research contents with this particular Gemini, but it's not free. It's sometimes they will give the 200, just to see left side 200 AI limit. So today they will give me free for 200 words, but tomorrow it's different pricing. C is pricing, so it's too costly. And it's zone wise, you can use this particular platform, and you can understand their process, their executions. This is basically used for that industrial difficulty of white papers, content creations, manual creations they can use. This is too costly, it's not easy to as a normal academicians of aesthetic perspective, we can purchase this software. So this is the way you can create entire research papers within a few minutes. Depends on your new domain, new creativity, all the process. So this is the part. Now we can move on that uh, the process of any queries. Any questions from the audience side, you can feel free to ask me. Now coming 10 minutes we can discuss of your queries, questions, and depends on your particular interest. So I can give that stuff of that process of AI.
Thank you, sir. First of all, sir, thank you so much for the wonderful, informative session, sir. It was really, really wonderful. I mean, there was so many things which I think we never heard, and it is very useful for all the researchers and faculties. And the chat box itself says about your session, sir. I mean, the beginning of this session. So I'm so thankful to you, sir.
It's my pleasure.
So, any questions from your side, participants? You can raise. You can click on raise hand button. I will unmute you. Any questions related to uh, any query you may ask to Professor Samantha? Any question? You can write in the chat box also, or you can ask directly to Professor Samantha. Just click on raise hand. I will unmute you.
Any queries from the audience side, you can feel free to ask me. Depends on your interest. I can be support you for that part of the basics AI process.
Yes, Aarti Mishra ji, you can ask directly to sir. There is a question, sir. By using those tools, will our research work become duplicated?
By using those tools, will our research work become duplicated? Yes, that is I'm telling that basically you cannot copy paste the content. You can get AI for the idea, and basically what you are thinking for research today already 10 years before somebody thought in different place. So it's possible to duplicate it. So why, what is the benefit is that AI understand the concept, research trends, and immediately go for the patent. So if you patent copyright in your name, obviously no one can duplicate your research
Yeah.
idea. And second thing is that publication purpose AI is not used. AI used for improve your research thought. So that is the main part. So this is the way you can use it. And that shows is fully ethical AI is upcoming, coming 5 years. The new topic is coming, ethical AI. So you cannot use the AI for copy paste. You cannot use for AI for paper writing. You understand the content. You understand research grow, research gap. That way you can use for the AI. So this is the way you can minimize your duplicacy. Good questions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any other doubt?
Any
Any
other question?
queries?
I think, sir, everyone is happy. There is no question because you have described so well, sir. And I will also share the recorded video after we finish the FDP event, so you can learn more. So thank you so much once again, sir, Professor Samantha, sir, on behalf of Inspira Research Association, Mehta College and Institute of Technology, Jaipur, and Swami Sahajanand College of Commerce and Management, Bhavnagar, sir. We are really thankful to you, sir, for the wonderful session, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
And
you. Thank you. We'll keep in touch.
yes, sir,
And
of
thank
course,
you,
sir.
all of you, for your wonderful audience, interactive audience. And very, very interesting questions came in that in the audience side also. And I'm really surprised that it's a good number of participants. What
Yes, sir.
exactly your
From
FDP is
all
the
parts of the
grand
country, sir. Yeah.
success. So this is the main goes to the particular audience side, because is without audience any activity cannot be the successful. I really appreciate for that. And obviously thank you my friend Professor Modi. We'll
Thank you,
keep in
sir. Thank you
touch.
so much, sir. And I request every participant to please switch on your video so that we can take some screenshots with Professor Samantha, sir. And it will, your attendance will also mark by this. So please switch on the videos, all of you. It is a request. Yeah, thank you. So, sir, see.
Yes, yes, all are active is good.
All are active,
It's
sir.
really, really appreciate for that.
Yeah.
So it's really people are so strongly participate in this process.
So you have described so many tools, sir. I really appreciate, sir, and I really thankful to you. And if it is possible, sir, please share all the links, the tools which
Sure, sure. I'll
I
give you. I'll
that
give you. I'll give
I
you.
will share
I'll
in
give
the
you.
WhatsApp group to them
Sure, sure.
that they
I'll
can.
give you all the things to
Yeah.
that people that interested all the things. Okay, no
Thank you, sir.
problems.
So nice of you, sir.
Okay, sure, sure.
So thank you so much, participants, once again. And thank you so much, Professor Samantha. Thank you so much, Professor Anil Mehta, sir. All the participants, Professor Aarti Chopra, and all the executive members, all the members of all the faculty of Mehta College and Institute of Technology, and all the faculties of Swami Sahajanand College of Commerce and Management, Professor Pankaj Soni, Professor Hetal Mehta. I am really thankful to all of you for the collaboration. So we will meet tomorrow at the same time, 5 p.m. Indian time, on the topic questionnaire designing by Dr. Hina Joshi, Associate Professor Shri Jairam Bhai Patel Institute of Business Management and Computer Application, Gujarat. Thank you, sir. Once again.
Okay, thank you. Bye, 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 bye.
Thank you. Any query, participants, you can call me or WhatsApp.